Hello everyone, I'm back in Olivo in 21 Eccleston Street, and I want to talk to you about this dish that it's actually a semi-traditional Sardinian, and as you can see, or as you can watch my videos, lots of them are based on the Sardinian theme because I'm from Sardinia. So this is a very almost ancient dish which is traditional in Sardinia, to roast the cheese and serve it with honey. And this particular dish that we do here in Olivo, it's got a little twist because I like to always give a modern twist to some of our dishes, Sardinian dishes. And so we had it, instead of using the regular Sardinian honey, and in most of the case they use bitter honey, we use honey with truffle honey. And also we shave some truffles on it. This particular cheese, Pecorino, I think most people would know, but it's one of the few cheeses that doesn't contain cholesterol. It's actually the good cheese because it's made from sheep milk, and it's equivalent of manchego in Spain. So Pecorino cheese is a really healthy cheese to eat. And so the way we do it is we roast the cheese. So as you can see, we make it a bit melty. It's actually very nice when it's slightly crisp on the top, and it gives them more flavor. Now, of course, it's getting a little bit cold because I'm talking to you about this dish, but it's certainly an amazing dessert. It can also be used as a starter. You could have this as a starter if you wish to, but normally I would have it as dessert, but with truffle it's a bit savory. You could use it as a starter. And it's always recommended to wash it down with this amazing Anghelu Ruju made by Selen Mosca. It's one of the fantastic wines they do, dessert wine actually, and it's almost like a port. This Anghelu Ruju is absolutely spectacular. It's that good that sometimes we use it to make desserts and to do other dishes like duck and other things. So I would hope for you to come and try this very simple thing. It's a roast cheese with truffle honey and shaved truffles on top. So this is on the new menu in Olivo now. So please come and enjoy it if you wish to try some of these new things that we do. They're traditional and very Sardinian. I hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Quite crunchy. Salute. Anghelu Ruju. It's really amazing. This Anghelu Ruju is so underrated. It's like it's a cross between a port and a dessert wine. Absolutely spectacular. Thank you for following us. Please come and see us in the restaurant. Goodbye.